Assalamu alaikum. Our lecture today will be about milling. What is milling? Milling is defined as mechanical process of reducing a particle size of solids. Various term has been used. Crushing هنا في H missed. Crushing, disintegration, dispersion, grinding and pulverization. Why milling? Milling is increase the specific surface of a substance which increase the free surface energy of a milled substance, significantly increase in the speed of substance and diffusion process, strength and pharmacological activity of a milled substance. لأنه زيادة السيرفيس area بتزيد solubility of a substance which will increase surface area بتزيد solubility بتزيد bioavailability of substance. solubility بتزيد absorption absorption بيزيد bioavailability, which is a direct effect to increase or to enhance the pharmacological activity. The advantage of milling: enhance mixing and enhance drying, the process of drying, increase the surface area, can improve the dissolution rate and bioavailability, improve the content uniformity of a dosage unit. A disadvantage: excessive heat generation can lead to degradation change في polymorphic form substance. Increased surface energy can lead to agglomeration, may result in excessive production of fine or overly broad particle distribution. Pharmaceutical application for milling: specific surface area per unit weight increase a size reduction which affect therapeutic efficacy of medical substance. بالذات في الماتيريال have a low solubility لأنه احنا قلنا size reduction بيزيد surface area which will increase the solubility of a material that increase وبيزيد solubility بالتالي بيزيد bioavailability of material. that absorption بيزيد solubility معناها بيزيد absorption بيزيد bioavailability of material. Types of mills: a mill consists of 3 parts، يعني مثلا feed, chute ولا grinding mechanism ولا discharge chute. Milling forces: the principle of operation depend on which type of milling mechanism used. هل هي cutting ولا attrition ولا compression ولا impact. هم 4 types of forces used في milling process. classification equipment for milling على حسب way of milling، يعني مثلا cutting machine أو attrition compression machine ولا impact machine ولا impact centrifugal machine. Classification of equipment for milling by degree of culmination بتقسم ل 2 groups، يعني مثلا للcrusher for الجريت والميديوم والفاين ميل ولا ميلز for المايكرو فاين سوبر فاين أو الكولويدال ميلز، يعني على حسب degree of comminution. Classification equipment for milling by mechanism used to break particles بيتقسم لديسك roll router hammer roller and other على حسب الميكانيزم used to break particles. ده classification تاني. Requirement for milling process substance must has initial its composition and pharmacological properties during a milling process. Periodically to remove enough milled particles from the sphere of comminution, prevent formation of dust. عشان كده لازم يكون sealed enclosure الحاصل فيه البروسيس بتاعة milling to prevent the formation of dust. Appropriate moisture for material. The use of sequence connected crushing milling machine. Mill selection بيكون according to the initial size of the material and desired size of a final product. It depends على initial size يعني which type of mills selected for the process حقتنا بيكون على حسب size of material desired size of a final product. The total amount of material for milling physical chemical properties of our material for milling. Cutting machine are used to comminution herbal drug that has a fiber structure. Grass cutting and straw cutting for grass stalk. Root cutting with the gluten knife for grinding roots bark. Drum straw cutting for grinding dry medicines. Knife mill for milling volume material containing cellulose. Motorized soft meat grinder for fresh herbal drug animal raw materials. Crush machines which are used for milling solid materials. فيها 5 type of mills. cheek and jaw mills. هي دي type of mills يتسمت كده يعني زي ريسمبل أو تشبيه الميكانيزم of action ولا البروسيس حقتها cheek and jaw mills. roller mills cone mills hammer mill disc mill. A selection of mill. The choose of mill depend على قبل قلنا it depend على size range حق الماتيريال اللي عايز الرو ماتيريال وحق السايز of الفاينل product specification size range particle size distribution shape moisture content physical and chemical properties of الماتيريال capacity of mill itself and product rate requirement variability of operation اللي هي wet and dry milling rapid change of speed and screen and safety requirement. Thank you.